District's getting ready to welcome students back tomorrow. That includes Houston ISD, Katie, Klein, and more.
Today, Michelle Choi got a behind-the-scenes look at how Alvin ISD is preparing. She joins us live with those details. How's it looking, Michelle?
Hey there, Mia and Lynn. Yeah, well, we spent the earlier part of the day with Alvin ISD maintenance crews. They stopped by dozens of campuses today, including where we are this evening here at Shadow Creek High School, to make sure everything's running smooth and to de-ice sidewalks as well as school entrances using this. Check this out, guys. These are fertilizer pellets, which I'm told melts the ice quickly without corroding the cement, all to make sure that students can safely walk into warm classrooms. It's been a busy 48 hours for Alvin ISD maintenance crews and HVAC technicians.
So now it's adding water to the system, and once it fills up, it'll dump the water down to here. And it'll come out of that pipe right there.
Checking heating systems and making sure it's in top working order is just one of several items on their to-do list, as well as restoring water towers, which they drained ahead of the winter storm to prevent any pipes from breaking.
So once that ball reaches a certain level, it's going to shut the water off, and then the system will be back up ready to go.
Fortunately, all 30-plus campuses were told fared well against the brutal temperatures.
There's no leaks, no equipment failures that we're dealing with today.
Checking each building in person, they say, is key.
We depend on automation a lot, but the critical element is the human touch of getting out there and seeing what the buildings look like, feeling the environment inside the buildings, and putting our eyes on it and seeing that our systems are doing what the machinery is telling us it's doing.
Alvin ISD is no stranger to extreme weather events. Less than a month ago, one of its schools was damaged by an EF2 tornado.
So we try to stay prepared and try to stay ahead of all that, because it really is focusing on keeping our kids in school and not missing that school time, and being consistently there for our parents and our communities and our students.
Meanwhile, other Houston area school districts are also preparing for kids to return to the classroom. Today, KHOU ISD posted these photos of their crews servicing a unit heater. Yeah, I also spoke to Klein ISD. A spokesperson there tells me that their maintenance crews have also been out all day checking on their buildings, and so far they have no major issues to report due to weather. Back to you.
Good to hear all looks well ahead of students and teachers returning tomorrow. Michelle Choi, thank you.